Hello everyone, our recipe for today is kids favorite dessert. As we got few mangoes from Indian store, I'm planning to make mango lassi, mango popsicles and mango sorbet. So let's get into the recipe now. To start with, take a ripened mango and peel like this. As the summer started, we crave for ice creams or juices that are very cool. So instead of buying from outside, why can't we make something cool for kids? Of course, we also can enjoy because in our recipe, we are not adding any artificial colors or preservatives, and mainly we are making without sugar. Once the mango is completely peeled off, cut the mango into small pieces and transfer to a Ziploc bag, seal it and keep it in the freezer for about 5 to 6 hours. After 5 to 6 hours, take the mango pieces out of the Ziploc and grind slowly in a blender. As the mango pieces are frozen, do not blend them continuously, give gap between every minute and blend into a smooth paste. Now squeeze 1/4 piece of lemon juice and blend again and transfer to an airtight container, close with the lid and freeze for about 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, our mango sorbet just with 2 ingredients, mango and lemon juice is ready to serve chill. This mango sorbet is all age favorite dessert to enjoy in hot summers. As this is over, now let's move on to the second dessert. Our second dessert is mango lassi, and all we need for this is 2 mangoes, 2 cups of curd and 1 cup of honey. Now let's peel the mangoes and cut into small slices. As we are substituting sugar with honey, this is a very healthy dessert even for people on diet. So this is a guilt-free dessert for all ages. Though we are on diet or diabetic or whatever the condition is, we don't have to compromise taste while making it healthy. So with the simple variations and changes and tips, we can make our food healthy and delicious and enjoy. Once the mangoes are completely peeled off, cut them into small pieces and transfer to a mixie jar. Now blend all these pieces into smooth paste. To this paste, add 2 cups of yogurt or curd and 1 cup of honey and blend again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Instead of honey, you can also add sugar, but here to make it into a healthy version, I am adding honey and substituting sugar. After adding honey, blend again for 2 to 3 minutes. Now our yummy mango lassi is ready, and the consistency of lassi should be like this, not too thin or too thick. Now transfer all this to a bowl and keep in the fridge for about 5 to 6 hours. After 5 hours, our chilled mango lassi is ready to serve. So enjoy this guilt-free mango lassi. So friends, our healthy and delicious mango lassi is ready to serve chill. Enjoy this. Please do try and comment how it turned out. As this is over, now let's move on to the third dessert. Our third dessert is mango popsicle. This is very simple and easy because just now we prepared the mango lassi, and for this take the mango lassi that is prepared and pour into the popsicle molds and freeze for about 10 hours. Here our popsicle molds are ready to go into the freezer for 10 hours. After 10 hours, take the popsicle molds out of the freezer and carefully remove the popsicle out of the mold. Wow, look at the popsicle, how beautiful it is and tempting. Who doesn't love to eat these popsicles if we make very healthy like this? So friends, these are our 3 healthy desserts with mango and with no sugar. Please do try this and enjoy the summer with these desserts. And if you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. Thank you.